Yo, bro. Alright. Well, it's Sunday, so I believe in Sunday Fun Day. And this is the video y'all finna get. And Splinter said he wanna go ride a scooter today. Come on. Come on, Splinter. Alright, Splinter's all ready to go ride. He's chilling. Buddy of mine, here's a little ice cream track thing. That's where I'm hanging out. Y'all know that's my back from area back there. If you don't, that's my back from area back there. But let's sit down and have a conversation. But yeah, we're gonna sit here and have a little bit of conversation about all this. I'm out here on the road. I'm about a little bit over a month in. I've had my insurance on my vehicle for right about 4 months. And now I'm looking for new insurance. Yeah. That's the way the dice roll. But I think I got it figured out. I'll find out here in the next day or two. But yeah, this is the way we're going. And we'll be on Splinter's butt. Old Splinter right there decided he was going to go on a 6-hour tour the desert In the first part, he decided he wanted to go for a walk. He didn't want to wait on me. So it took him 6 hours to come back home, and I sat there threw all my dirty clothes out in the middle of the desert on the ground looking like an idiot. But yeah, this is what I get to enjoy looking at there today. I got some horseshoes set up, and there's I'm flinging a little bit of ice cream. Probably shouldn't be, but I am. And it's kind of warm out here. We're getting up in the 60s, 70s, and I think we hit 80s one day this week. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty warm this week when my school's going on, and I think I'll make a couple bucks and sell ice cream. Be serious. But nah, getting back to the insurance thing. Y'all go get insurance on these vehicles. Y'all just not do this stuff. Do your homework. Tell them just enough, and tell them play ignorant to some of the stuff. You know what I mean? And make sure your answer's in right in the way. And word it properly. That way you see that you're playing ignorant. Because like I worded mine in such a way and everything. I hope it goes through. But they want to know what kind of way you're going to use it and all this other stuff. It's a personal use vehicle. Then they want to know about conversion inside of it. I'll let you get a converted RV on title one day. But yeah, that's what we're going through right now. I'm hoping we'll get it all taken care of. And at least can get up to Utah and do my summer job. I still hadn't found no work for around here. And that's what the big tent was about, was finding my summer job, which I got that. And I just have to do one more email with them. I think I'm done. And that job's finalized and locked down for sure already. I just got to do paperwork. But y'all wondering about the way I'm doing great. Just wish I could find a job here locally where I'm at and stay here till mid-April and then head up to Utah and do my job over there. Enjoy myself and do some hustling and make a little bit extra money on top of what I'm getting paid. Yeah, I'll get back with y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this week's video, but next week's going to be all about the school that's going to start happening right here in this area I'm in. I hope y'all been enjoying my videos and I follow along and comment as much as possible on these videos, y'all. It helps the algorithm, I ain't gonna lie. But I'll catch up with y'all later. Y'all enjoy yourself this week.